Now, let's learn how to post content in Zoho Social and explore the main tabs available in the platform. How to post content. To create a new post, click the New Post button located at the top left of the Posts tab. From here, you can write your content, add images or videos, choose the social channels you want to publish to, schedule the post for later, or publish it immediately. Zoho Social also allows you to preview your post before publishing, ensuring everything looks perfect. Other main tabs in Zoho Social. At the top navigation bar, you'll find several important tabs. Home, your dashboard with brand health metrics and quick actions. Messages, manage direct messages from connected platforms. Inbox, handle comments and mentions in one place. Monitor, track keywords, hashtags, and brand mentions to stay updated. Connections, view and manage your audience across platforms. Collaborate, work with your team on approvals and discussions. Reports, generate detailed analytics and performance reports to measure success. With these features, Zoho Social makes it easy to create, manage, and analyze your social media content, all from one centralized platform.
Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.